So Samsung is fighting back in India to get the customers it has lost to cheaper phones from Chinese OEMs like Xiaomi and Realme, and its weapons are the Samsung Galaxy M series. The Galaxy M10 and M20 were recently released in India with good specs and a ridiculous price. Let's have a quick run through the spec sheet. The Galaxy M10 comes in two models. Though both models have similar screen resolution at 720p and the same battery capacity at 3400 mAh, they differ in storage options, with the lower end model coming in at 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of onboard storage, and the higher end model coming in at 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of onboard storage. The M20 also comes in two models, with the base model sporting 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of onboard storage, and the higher end model having 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of onboard storage. Both M20 models sport a 1080p LCD panel and a whopping 5000 mAh battery. All that sounds enticing, and you probably want to know how much they will cost at this point. Galaxy M10 starts at $112 for the base model and goes all the way to $126 for the higher end model, while the M20 starts at $155 for the base model and goes all the way to $183 for the higher end model. These prices are ridiculously aggressive, and I think this is what Samsung needs to get back its market share in India. The M10 and M20 can only be gotten on Amazon or Samsung's website. I think it's a measure by Samsung to keep the price down. Nice. That aside, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. With that being said, please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I release another video. Peace out.